This is Teqnyat News. I'm Mahmoud Abul Hassan. Google DeepMind CEO reminded the world that despite the rapid progress in artificial intelligence through AGI, which is artificial general intelligence, a machine with human level reasoning and understanding, is still far from reality for years. While today's model can solve incredible complex problems from protein folding to advanced language translation, we noted that they still are not able to solve some simple reasoning tasks. This serves as a reality check for AI lovers, investors, and policy makers. It also underscores that the AI is transforming businesses, but the road to human-like intelligence is not a straight sprint. It is marathon filled with technical and philosophical challenges. Thank you for watching us. Teqnyat News. I'm Mahmoud Abul Hassan. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.